everyone, thank you for joining me again. I'm Tina the Spiritual Reader, and today I will be discussing pendulums. Okay, now a pendulum is a form of divination that answers your question with either yes or a no. Now, sometimes a pendulum, when asked a question, might vibrate. That is absolutely fine. I have had that done so many times. So I put it in my hand and with my thumb, I rub it for a few seconds and then I will ask my question again. Now, some pendulums come with a string and some come with a chain like mine, and my pendulum, it has the color of the chakras. Now, there's loads of different kinds of pendulums. Some you will find you can get one with pendulum with, well, I keep saying with, I mean, you can get a pendulum that has clear quartz on it, has rose quartz, whatever crystal of that you're into and it's your favorite and it resonates with you, then that's the one for you. Now, if you're brand new to pendulums, obviously you need to know your yes and no. And I will try and keep my hand as steady as I can because this is a bit hard. So you hold your pendulum and your other hand is flat underneath and you ask it a question. Like, oh, before we go to the question, I forgot to add, I always do a simple prayer asking my guides and my angels to come forward to assist me with the answer to my question. Okay, so I have my pendulum like this and I will ask it, show me yes, because you do need to know what your yeses and nos are. So my yes is a circle. Thank you. Just hold that. It's so hard when you're recording having a straight hand. And I will ask it, please show me no. Now, my nose is normally side to side. There we go. Okay. Now, to test out your pendulum, you can ask a simple question like, get it straight, is my name Tina? Thank you. Try to find to prop my hand up as much as I can. Okay, and then I will ask it, am I 21? Fleming Chick said I'm not 21. Well, that is correct. I'm not 21. Thank you so much. Now, some people will ask, what's the best length to have on your pendulum? I don't think there is, if it's short or long, it doesn't matter because a lot of the time I entwine it around my finger like this. And let me ask it one more question. Am I the spiritual reader? Hold on. Am I the spiritual? You can't even see if any shorter. Am I the spiritual reader? There you go. Thank you. So you can ask any question that that is a yes or a no answer. So have fun with it, and please keep an eye out on my other videos that are coming out. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.